Okay, ma'am.
How long Kunal will stay here? You will underline it and you will write it as a subject. Can you tell me who wrote for whom the bell tolls? Can you tell me who wrote for whom the bell tolls? Can you tell me the clause over here? What is the clause over in this sentence? Can you tell me who wrote for whom the bell tolls? Speak up, children. What do you think? What is the clause here? Can anyone try?
Ma'am, who wrote for whom the bell tolls?
Absolutely correct. And it is functioning as a object or subject? Tell me.
Ma'am, object.
Very good. It is functioning as an object. I would like to know why my application has been rejected. I would like to know why my application has been rejected.
I would like to know.
Is clause? What is clause over here? What is the clause here? Anshika, yes, tell. Anshika, tell.
Yes, ma'am. Why my application has been rejected.
Very good. Why my application has been rejected and it is functioning as an
Object.
object. Everything now depends on what father decides. Everything now depends on what father decides.
What father decides?
Yes, what father decides, and it is acting as a preposition, object to preposition. You can see on. Okay, it is acting as a object of a preposition.
Ma'am, what father decides over na?
Yes,
Underline.
what father decides is a clause and it is object of preposition because it is coming after on preposition. The rumor that he has resigned is baseless.
That he has resigned in baseless.
The rumor that he has resigned is baseless. That he has resigned. The rumor that he has resigned. This is, what is this?
I'm object.
It is apposition. Apposition of a noun. Apposition to a noun. This is apposition to a noun that he has resigned. Can I rely on what you are saying?
What you are saying.
Very good. And this is?
Object.
Object of?
Object of preposition.
Very good. Object of preposition. That he is not interested in the other is known to us. That he is not interested in the offer is known to us. Try, children.
That he is not interested in the offer.
Very good. This is a noun clause and it is a subject. Okay, it is acting as a subject. We left our house early, realizing that we were going to stop at traffic.
That we were going to be checking traffic.
Yes, that we were going, realizing. What is here? Realizing. Participle. So it is the object of a participle. Okay. You can see here participle. So it is object of participle. The question is whether we should take up the work. The question is whether we should take up the work. Come on, children, try. It's very easy.
We should take up the work.
Whether we should take up the work. So it is the object of a verb. Is this verb? So it is object of verb. Okay. The belief that the soul is immortal. is almost universal.
That the soul is immortal is almost
Yes, the belief that the soul is immortal. The belief that the soul is immortal is almost universal. Complement of a verb. The belief that the soul is immortal. Complement of a verb. Soul is immortal. Now in these sentences, replace the highlighted words with a suitable noun clause. The doctors expect an improvement in Dheer's health. Doctors expect an improvement in Dheer's health. Have to change into noun clause.
And what we have to do in this question?
You have to change it in noun clause. An improvement in Dheer's health, you have to change into noun clause. It is a phrase. Okay. So I give you example. The doctors expect that Dheer's health will improve. The doctors expect that Dheer's health will improve. The doctors expect that Dheer's health will improve. Health will improve. So you can see here, whenever we want to put noun clause, we need a subject and verb. So you can see here, this is subject and this is verb. Okay. And that was the phrase. So we have to change it into a clause. His arrival was totally unexpected. His arrival was totally unexpected. Can you try this one? His arrival was totally unexpected.
arrival of him.
No one expected. No one expected. No one expected that he would arrive. No one expected this, that he would arrive. No one expected that he would arrive. He would arrive. Next one. Can you guess the meaning of this word from the context? Can you guess the meaning of this word from the context?